Alright, so I wasn't able to work on the plugin yesterday after I recorded. Oh, I need to turn that off. Um, so we're still going through that, but what I'm thinking is we're going to get um because I basically need to in the properties. This is the UI that's created, right? But these names that are being pulled from the other from the text source need to be unique. So I'm thinking of just making them manually and then in updates, where is it? Um, just passing them into um, the actual source. But to do that, I need to first get the properties, which is here I get the properties for the current source, and then for the properties of um, the text source, I think it would just be um, what would it be? It would be OBS. I have the documentation open. OBS, OBS, source properties. There we go. Yeah, so we call OBS get source properties. Why do we just need an ID though? I think I'll need this one. Yes, I'll need this one. So when we pass in this, yeah. So it'll be like blah equals OBS source properties, and then we'd pass in um, info, or actually we can take this down here after the the like type that for whatever you want to call it. Um, oops. Then we take this, and this will be info deletion source, because that'll give us our text source, right? And then after this, what does the structure for actually I could probably autofill this. Get a OBS. Um I need to look at what the structure is for the properties. So we're looking for OBS properties. Here it is. And here, so it is it's a array of OBS properties. So if we go here, here's everything we need. So we need to go through every one and look for if the name is the same as what I'm looking for. And then I need to change every type, visible, description, maybe it's void private. I don't know. Let's. So, I think we should put this in support rather than in here. So we can say, wow, I didn't realize LTA was that long. So it'll be void. No. Because we'll we'll kick the property back out, so we can set it. Or we can just pass everything in here and it could be dealt with in here. Yeah, we could do that. So we can do like void um prop copy. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. And then we'll take in um the actual properties itself. Wow, I can't spell properties underscore T. I don't think it's a difference because type diff, whatever. Properties, and then we can call this props, and then we'll need um what we're replacing it with. So that will be OBS proper T's underscore T. Or why don't we just call this destination, and then this source, and then a string, which is the name of the source, and be or maybe it's the ID. No, it will be name, because if we create a property, oh wait, I think it's like add bool or something. There it is. Hash prop, new prop, props name description, and what do we pass in here? So when we add bool, we pass in the property string, the name, and then the description. So we'll be looking for the name. Oh, this can actually help me, because if we come here, so we'll type. So when we have the value of it, what are we looking for? OBS data get bool. So let's is there a keybind for that? Keybind to duplicate tab in Firefox. Control Shift T. Control Shift T. That's not how you duplicate it. Oh, no, that is Control Shift T. Alt Shift D. Oh, it's not gonna work because that's my leader. Set the focus. Wait. Select current. Oh shit, return. That's not. Yeah, that's not gonna work for me. Anyway, let's just duplicate this like normal. And then we are looking for, OBS data get bool as an example. So here. Okay, thanks. Is get item data bool. Wait a minute. How do we get there? Settings. Oh. Oh, shoot. Hmm. So that's a totally different thing. We are given the current settings from the source, and then we need to pass that on to. Oh boy. What about when we set it? Oh, there it is. I want the actual. Bro, what? This is gonna be more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. Because we don't interact with just this. But if I change the name of the actual property, that changes everything in the actual source too. It's not going to work anymore, I don't think. Because say we change where's properties? Yeah, so we change a title in properties, like for instance, like anti-aliasing, and then we go to read it from updates. Oh, where's update? Yeah, these are just statics. I mean, that I don't think that's gonna work. Okay. Hmm. Okay, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. What if? All right, so for properties, right? This is a pointer. This is a pointer. This is a pointer. This is a enum. Visible. Oh wait, that's not a pointer anymore though. Parent. Can I somehow link these two? Okay, I'm pulling that to here. Then we're gonna. That's actually. Is there a way that I can? Uh, Wait, what the heck? Alright, and then what is it like? And enter? Oh, I don't remember. Never mind. Duplicate. Oops. Unpin. Duplicate. And drag this over here. Actually, I just need a documentation. I don't know why I'm bugging. Okay, so we can go. Oh, wait. No. The documentation. Here it's edit of child. This is in sources, not properties. How do you set the parent though? And what's that even do? Man. I might have to link the two, but I really don't want to. I want to have that flexibility. Description. Could just be like parent. Nope. It just doesn't exist anymore. Properties objects. Actually, let's see how it's actually used. Dang, these are all the same thing. Just forks. Dang, does nobody use this? Okay, maybe it's not a good idea to use then. Yeah. Okay. Time to find something else. So I really just want to link the two. What, Because is visible enabled important? Because, maybe what I can do is just get the property. It's just the name I had to change. Because they'll point to the same thing. The only things that will be changing are the whether it's visible or enabled. Okay, I'm gonna try it that way. So how I'm thinking is do all this. And then from this, there's a way to get the next property, I think. Pointer to the pointer. Wait, what? Pointer to the pointer of the next property. Bro, what does that even mean? Oops. No. Oh, that's not where I'm supposed to put it. Slash and then that. Okay. You get the first one. And then, okay, I see. So we could say OBS properties underscore T. I don't know, equals text. Oops. OBS properties first of this, and it is of the right type, right? First is, okay, yeah. And then we say, okay, I also need to know what, oops, that's not what I wanted. I also need to know which ones I want. So we want the font, or actually it doesn't matter. What we need to do, I'm gonna just add 2 at the end of those. No, because this is the same thing as just changing it again. It's gonna break it. I need to create copies of him. Okay, so let's just keep going with this. While pointer, because I think it returns null if it doesn't work, right? Where's next? Yeah. Actually, okay, whatever. That should work. And then we can say bool checker equals shoot. How do you do ternary again? Okay, so it's bool checker equals pointer and then question mark true, or is it comma? No, false. Okay, there we go. I didn't spell this right. So if pointer for some reason pulls up null, then it'll be false. But this is now checker. So while checker, we can say it should be a pointer to the property, right? So it would be pointer name equals, or no, sn printf, or why don't we do sn stern copy, that's what it is, stern copy into pointer name, no, not stern copy, stern cat, or is it sn cat? I know there's a one that's safer. It's not string cat. Somebody's gonna be like, oh, this is safer somewhere in here, right? Or maybe not. Okay, maybe I'm bugging. Cat pointer name with 2. Coolio. And then after that, we want to get the next one. So OBS properties next of text to, or no, of pointer. And then we keep going through that. Wait, no. Next. Sorry, this is that, and then this is checker. This one's different. Right? So that'll do that. But the thing is, we need a set of... Alright, so that's the basic concept. But we need to extend this to be smarter. Right? So we need... What do we need? Font. Let me get this over here. And then we want, or do I have, no I don't, OBS Studio, and then we want free type, because we want to do our properties the exact same as it's done in here. Properties. Oh wait, that's not what I wanted. Oh my gosh. Actually, it's Control F. Properties. So add font. So we can go up here and GC these. Oh, did I not hit the right thing? Oh, I'm hitting D. Did I forget where G was? There we go. Okay. So it'll be OBS properties T text to props equals OBS source create properties, right? OBS properties create. FS, oops. No. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, there we go. So now we can take this and, oops. Bro, why do I keep doing that? We can take this and we need to add them one by one. Oh, but it might not check if it's, oh, shoot. I'm pretty sure these are here to see if it's changed or not. I don't know. We should try it regardless. Yeah. Wait a minute. Uh-oh. That might be helpful. So if we hold the properties, and then we can get the data, we can then set the individual things based on the properties. Because at the current state, we had two entities. Then we have to keep going back and forth. This is annoying. Okay, so at the current state which we're about to do it, those pointers will be linked to one another. The problem arises they don't auto update because they're not the exact same, I don't think. Hmm. This is a little bit of a hard problem. Hmm. I don't know yet. So if we copy them, you still have to interface with it right back. If we get the property data, then we can. I got too many. OBS data underscore T. If we get this OBS property data, oh, of course. Oh, I'm spelling it wrong. Bro. Maybe that's not something that should be accessed. So at that point, all we need is a single property, and that returns I don't know how that works. Can you get the type from the data? Yes. Property get type. Oh, that's not what I'm looking for. There it is. Yeah, we could just test it. So we get each one, and then we say, like, OBS property get type, and get type of pointer. Yeah, it'll be a pointer to it. So we say enum OBS property type equal, or type equals that, and then we would switch. I don't remember the syntax for switch case. I just need the syntax to show me. Oh yeah. So it's switch. Oh my gosh. Switch type 28. Switch type. Is it? Yeah. And then each case. Oops. Switch type. And then case where it's so we have what do we have here? We have font. So if it's an OBS property font, then it's or we'd still get the property data, but the property data would be a an object. Regardless, though, we can just, or at the current time being, we can just printf percent %d and then type, right? Just ensure that's working, because then you can come in and depending on which one you have, you can set each one. And then to do this in updates, you would just have to hold the properties within the structure for this. Okay, I think I'm figuring it out maybe. I don't think this is anywhere near the most efficient way, but it is a way. Oh, maybe not though. So at 340, yes, create properties. Bro. Oh, no way this is backwards. Okay. Now let's try this. What are we missing? Next. Property next. Okay, and then expected. Oh, what did I do? At 341, 7 up. Yeah, I did this twice for some reason. Oops. What did I just do? Text to props. Yep. 341. Okay. Wait, where are we at? So initialization of OBS properties T from incompatible pointer. What? Oh, property T. Those are two different things for some reason. Does that mess up anything here? So for next, you need a pointer to a property, and then first, I assume, is the same thing. And then for get type, yes, it's a property as well. Okay, so all of these need to be properties, singular. I think that's it though. All right, no return statements in 349. I think I have too many of these. Yes, I do. There we go. Wait, did that? Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, that's fast. Um. Oh shoot! I forgot to delete that test. Delay. Because I added 2 of those. Okay. So this should run. We should be printing something every time that properties is created, but it's not. Wait, let me, just in case. Yeah, properties gets generated every time you open and close it, so. Okay, so that we're getting an issue there. 2 sources or many. That's fine. Okay, so why is this 342? Break at get stats source dot c at 342. Or that's not what I wanted. I wanted what is it called? Pointer. It is null. Oh, duh. Obviously. Because it's because I undid this. Actually, let's keep on for this now. Bro, I was supposed to undo it. What the heck? Undo. Bro. Is because this is missing? Okay, this is annoying. Actually, why don't we just do replace /stat with nothing, and then do the same thing for this. Okay, cool. Takes 2 props. Oh, I created it twice. I can do that. Okay. So now, let's quit this. Actually, let me just run it. We are in a forever for loop. Why? Oh my gosh. Whoopsies. Oh yeah. I can't close that, can I? Bro, why am I still in this? Oh, did I not build? Okay, there we go. So you have a 9, 1, 13, 13, 9, 1, 1. Okay. So we can get the types. And then, oh shoot. Oh yeah, yeah, there we go. Get property data. That returns a void. Give, let's just try this. Property data of pointer. Yeah. Shoot. That would have been so useful. Okay. Is it this? It's the last argument of that. What is that? It's a callback. That's not what I want. Oh, this is add one too. It just says private. Pointer passed back as the data argument of the callback. I don't know what that means. Okay. Yeah, I don't know how data is associated with this property, with these properties. what was the function called? Get property data. Int data equals get. Bro. Struct int data equals. Wait, so how does this relate to the pointer? Wait, what? Wait, so you have a property and you give it props name description property int struct int data equals get property data of p. So get property data just tells you where the data is and like it points to in memory. I think. So the data is just held right after the structure. It's not held within the property itself. Do I have a note highlight? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is going to be a big problem to figure out. But once we get these two data linked, it shouldn't be too bad. Because at that point, we just need one more text source, which we'll just do the same thing. And then, or we don't even need one more. Because we could just use those and write the, yeah, we only need two in total. But yeah, this is gonna be the big one. I did not think it would be this difficult. Yeah, I think I'll take a break before work though. Try to think about it.